you're here, pressing your laptop. You think you can kill my sister and get away with it, right? And what are you talking about? I did not kill your sister. I don't know what you're talking about. Listen, let me tell you. If you're not guilty in the eyes of the detectives, you're guilty in my eyes! Ah! Ah! Where are you? Steph, she's dead. Yeah, I just had to do by the news. I'm in my house. Okay.
I'm Detective Vivian, and here with me is my colleague, Detective Jennifer. We are detectives in charge of the case of your daughter's death, Miss Stephanie Williams.
You are welcome, Detective Vivian.
Thank you, ma'am. Madam, you will help us get to the root of this case by answering all the questions we ask.
Detectives, anything to get the killer of my daughter. I'm bringing more how to do. I will do it. I'll give you my list.
Okay, ma'am. Madam, where were you by 10 p.m. last night when your daughter was murdered?
I was in Lagos when I had the incident. We had 3 weeks board directors meeting. I flew in when my son tried on my phone.
Madam, do you have any rival or someone who will want to hurt your daughter to get at you?
I don't think so, Detective Vivian, that someone might hurt me or my family. No, I'm a peaceful woman and loving woman, loved by all.
Tyra, where were you the night your sister was murdered?
I went for a friend's bachelor's party.
And you, Lucy, where were you the night your sister was murdered?
I went with my brother to the bachelor eve. We actually told Stephanie to come with us, but she said she would rather stay at home.
Tyra, the night you went to a friend's bachelor's eve, the same night your sister was murdered. Is there something you're not telling us?
We came back in the morning and went inside our room to check on her. We found her dead. And I called the police and later called my mom.
Did you had any fight with anybody that may lead to your sister's death?
No, I didn't fight anyone.
Did your sister have a friend, a girl or a boyfriend?
Yes, Serena Richard, a close friend and a classmate.
Please give us her address.
Number 15 Ashekun Street, Richard Estate.
Madam, do you know this Serena Richards?
Yeah, she's my daughter's closest friend.
Do you have any domestic workers in this house?
Yes. The maid and the gate man.
Please, we would like to talk to them and ask them questions.
Mary! Mary! Mary!
Sir!
Go and call Ikemba. Both of you should come here right now.
Okay, sir.
Oh, both of you should come this side.
Ikemba, at about 10 p.m. last night, your madam's daughter was murdered. Where were you?
Madam, I was at my quarters.
You left the small gate open and went to your quarters, allowing the murderers to come in.
No, I locked up the gate and went to my quarters.
Ikemba, when did your madam's son leave the house that night?
He comes and goes. I don't know the exact time.
You're a moron. A gate man like you. You don't know when a car drove in and out of your compound. I'll get back to you. Mary, did you hear or see anybody entering the house?
Madam, I didn't hear any noise or see anybody.
Did you by any chance see any strange face entering the compound?
No, I didn't see anybody.
Madam, thanks for your time. We are done with you all for now. We'll be going, but we'll come back if anything comes out.
I'll do everything in your power to get the killer of my daughter.
Right, thank you.
Both of you should go back to your quarters.
Thank you, sir.
Ikemba. You're a foolish man. Very stupid. Get out of here. Stupid. Nonsense.
Detective Vivian. Here with me is my colleague, Detective Jennifer.
Detectives, forgive my manners, please sit.
Thank you. investigations, we find out that you're a close friend and a coursemate to Stephanie Williams.
Yes, detectives, I am.
Do you have a fight over a boyfriend or something?
No. She's just like a sister to me, so we shouldn't fight about anything.
Okay. We find her phone beside her bed. We checked on the last call and you were the last person she called.
Yes, detective. That was because she called me to tell me about the fight she had with her boyfriend, who she caught cheating on her. Though they had a little fight, but that was just it.
Do you know of anyone who could harm her for any reason?
No. But there's this guy in school who has a crush on her. But if the guy would want to hurt anyone, it should be me. Because I don't always want him close to my friend.
This guy, where does he stay?
He stays at Unite Hostel off school campus.
And what's his name?
Wilson.
The boyfriend she quarreled with, where does he stay?
He stays at number 2 Shaki Christian Hostel.
His name, please.
His name is Charles.
Charles. Miss Serena Richards, as a close friend to Stephanie, you do visit the house often, right? What do you know about Tyra Williams?
I'm sorry, detective. I just go there to visit my friend Stephanie and not to pick on her brother, Tyra.
Thanks for your time. That will be all for now.
All right.
Detective Vivian. My colleague here is Detective Jennifer.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
You're Charles.
Yeah.
Miss Stephanie Williams' boyfriend.
Yes.
Are you aware she's dead?
Yeah. I had it over the news.
What was the last incident between you two?
Baby, are you home? Baby! Jesus, Charles!
Baby,
Don't touch me!
it's not what you think. I can explain.
Explain what?
I can explain.
Look, Charles, I'm just tired of you. After all I've done for you, you drop to pay me back like this, right? It has to end here now. In your miserable life, don't you ever call my line again.
Baby.
If you dare touch me with those filthy hands of yours, you will see what I'll do to you.
I'm sorry. Steph. Baby.
Just get down to cheat.